each other, just a little bit further down.
Right
there, yeah. That's hard to get used to.
Yeah, I know, because when I was driving with my stepmom there, it happened like down below like this kind of thing.
Right, yeah. So placing your hands at 9 and 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
That there just keeps your hands from.
It used to be different before. It used to be like 10 and 2.
I've been teaching since the 90s, and when they changed over from 10 and 2 to 9 and 3, it took me a while to get used to that there.
Yeah.
Like this.
Usually, like when I start driving, though, like I'll probably just be using one hand, or maybe under. I wouldn't drive with no hands. I see people drive with their knee all the time. I'm like,
I've done that.
Can't really. I don't think I can properly control.
Yeah, it's for the purposes of a road test. You're training to do textbook style driving.
Yeah.
So everything by the book, basically, just so it gets into your muscle memory and you don't end up like dropping a hand off the wheel during your road test or something, just inadvertently, you know.
Yeah.
We're gonna go straight at the stop sign here. So it's a 4-way intersection, 4 stop signs, and let's see if we can see a line. Yeah, you can see the line there. So basically, the bottom of your windshield, you want to let the line drop to the bottom of your windshield and stop right here. Perfect.
I go?
2, and off we go. Yep, because you got here first, before the black car. Before the black SUV. So the rights of way is just whoever stops first gets to go first, in a perfect world. Sometimes you got to avoid a collision, you know. You can have the right of way, you can be right, or you can be dead right.
There we go.
At the stop sign up here, we're going to turn left.
All right. I think turning right's easier than turning left for me there.
Yeah, okay. We'll turn left here though. Just want to see how your left turns are. Signal left. And complete stop. 1, 2, and off you go. So that's a full 3-second stop. Yeah, it's really good. You got good steering control. Hand over hand, and when the wheel is coming back, you're not letting go of the steering wheel like some people do, or other people, what they do is they'll try to help it back to the straight ahead position.
That's not that wouldn't be smart to do. But
so you're just kind of loosening your grip a little bit.
Loosen it, but like keep it so when I can grab it right away.
Yeah, exactly. That's half the battle, is getting the steering under control, the gas pedal, the brake, primary controls.